Hello everybody, welcome to Floating Sandbox. Today we are using a ship that I have made custom, which is the SS Arctic, which is based on an old 1800s paddle wheeler, which actually sank very tragically after colliding with another ship. So, I have based this ship heavily upon Queen Mary, and Normandy, and many others like that. This ship has full interiors here, but I have not connected lighting, rigging, any of that. Well, of course there's rigging, like ropes, but I have not made any lighting, wiring, working engines, or propulsion. We are just at the basics here with just the sprite of the ship. So, let's puncture a few of these forward compartments here. So, this ship is... I had to puncture more compartments than normal, just for this video. Because usually this ship takes quite a while to sink, but I do not want to bore my viewers. So, anyways, some of these wires here. It's nice to see those effects. Oh, looks like we had a split near the second funnel. Usually that happens, but the ship does not break in two. So, usually I do not make YouTube videos, but this video is inspired, or I was inspired to make it by a friend of mine, Ollie, and I'm very close with this person. I mean, I might make videos with them in the future, but yeah. So here we have all this, all these wires torn now. Let's disconnect some of the masts, and there we go. That'll about do it. So I have played this game since its early development, when the developers were first working out the physics, the settings, the graphics, and this ship used to be very different than it is now. Or, I mean, this game used to be very different than it is now. I have played this game for quite a while, and you can't really save progress, I mean, unless you're saving settings. I had quite a few older ships, but I lost them all converting to a new laptop. So, anyways, here we have the ship taking its final plunge into the ocean. Here we see the second funnel being overtaken by the sea. Now it's going full vertical, just like the Titanic did in the 1997 James Cameron film, Titanic. Which, it turns out his theory is actually rather inaccurate, and that the ship did not go full vertical, as we see in the film. Instead, the ship had a heavy port list, and the stern sort of capsized and rolled onto its side after sinking, and it took on very much a look as if it was like Lusitania or Britannic, which both sank during the war in 1915. So, here we have this, it's not really sinking too well. The water is not flooding into these aft sections quick enough, but while we are discussing that, let's discuss future for this channel. Possibly I will make more Floating Sandbox videos, probably Minecraft, maybe drawing tutorials or something like that. But I am making these because I'm thinking of getting into a YouTube career, or making YouTube videos, that sort of thing. Anyways, that's been all for today, and just as the water closes over the flagstaff on the stern, we are going to wrap this video up, and thank you very much for watching Floating Sandbox. This has been Tony the Carrot, and I will be signing off. I'll make another video possibly another time. Adios.